Starting a business doesn't always require millions in the bank. Sometimes, all it takes is a great idea, strategic planning, and the willingness to take that first step. Welcome to today's video, where we'll show you how to start a successful business with low investment. First, every great business begins with a great idea. Look for problems you can solve in your community, industry, or even your personal life. Whether it's offering a unique service, selling handmade products, or creating digital content, focus on what you're passionate about and where there's a market demand. Next, research is key. Understand your target audience, study your competitors, and know your costs. Platforms like Google Trends, social media, and surveys can give you insights into what people need and how much they're willing to pay for it. You don't need a fancy office or expensive tools to start. Begin small, work from home, use free or low-cost digital tools, and focus on delivering value over aesthetics. Here are 5 low-investment business ideas to get you started. 1. Print-on-demand business. Create custom designs and sell them on t-shirts, mugs, and more. 2. Online coaching or consulting. Share your expertise in fitness, career advice, or personal finance. 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn by promoting products you love. 4. Social media management. Help businesses grow their online presence. 5. Freelance writing or graphic design. Use your skills to serve clients worldwide. Technology is your greatest ally. Use tools like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to market your brand. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork help you find freelance gigs. Automation tools like Hootsuite or Buffer save time, so you can focus on growth. Keep your finances in check. Start with a small budget and reinvest your earnings into growth. Use free tools like Wave or Excel to track expenses and profits. Rule of thumb, don't overspend, grow organically. Your first customers are your foundation. Provide excellent service, gather feedback, and ask for reviews. Word of mouth and repeat customers are invaluable. Strategies: personalized service, quick responses, quality over quantity. Remember, every big business started small. With determination, creativity, and strategic thinking, you can turn your dream into reality, even on a tight budget. So what's stopping you? Take that first step today. Start small, dream big, succeed with purpose. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on starting your dream business. Drop your questions in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.